Hey guys, big news straight out of Bologna. Ducati just shook up the naked bike world with a massive reveal, the birth of a brand new monster. That's right, the street icon that's ruled for over 3 decades has evolved once again. But this time, Ducati didn't just refresh the looks, they reworked the heart, the frame, and even the attitude. Let's rewind a bit. The monster began as a rebellion. A pure, stripped-down machine built for raw riding pleasure. No fancy fairings, no unnecessary parts, just power and attitude. From the Monster 900 to the 937, its DNA stayed true, brutal yet elegant. And now, this next generation keeps that spirit alive, only sharper and smarter than ever. Underneath, the old 937 cubic centimeters Testastretta twin is gone, replaced by a new 890 cubic centimeters V2 engine. It pumps out 111 horsepower at 9,000 revolutions per minute and 91.1 newton-meters of torque at 7,250 revolutions per minute, with 80% of that torque already available from just 4,000 revolutions per minute. That means instant punch whenever you twist the throttle. The weight? Only 175 kilograms dry. One of the lightest monsters ever made. The upgrades go beyond numbers. The engine is 5.9 kilograms lighter, with longer 28,000-mile valve service intervals. The frame borrows Panigale-inspired engineering, using a compact front frame and a hollow twin-sided swing arm. Showa suspension and Brembo M432 brakes with twin 320mm discs ensure control stays razor-sharp, no matter how wild you get. Riding position also got a refresh. The handlebars are higher and pushed forward, giving a more natural stance. A 5-inch TFT display handles all the essentials, even turn-by-turn navigation. Plus, you get every modern assist Ducati can throw in: cornering ABS, traction and wheelie control, Quickshifter up/down, cruise control, and heated grips. 4 ride modes: Sport, Road, Urban, and Wet. Adapt the monster's mood to yours. If Ducati follows tradition, the global launch could happen early next year, with pricing slightly above the outgoing model. But this new monster isn't just an upgrade. It's a declaration. A reminder that simplicity, wildness, and soul can still live inside modern tech. So tell me, is this still a true monster?